YouTube, how we doing? Got another one today. The camera angle is a little different. I'm looking at myself here, but you guys are there because I have the monitor right above. But today I'm going to take you guys through a couple setups that I'm looking for the next couple weeks. I have 3 setups for you guys. I also want to take you through 2 setups I'm currently in. One is gold. One is GBP CHF swing trading. So I've been in the GBP CHF for like 2.5 weeks now. Gold I just got in today. I'm going to take you guys through why I took that gold trade, how it's looking. It hasn't really moved yet. I mean, I just took it today, as I said. But yeah, take you guys through the 3 setups that I see for these upcoming weeks. And let's get into it. So first, I just want to take you guys through pretty much the gist of the strategy. It's just a break and retest and then also using supply and demand. You could also use the EMAs and the fibs just as an extra confluence if you would like. But let me do a replay. I did not take this trade, by the way, but this is a setup that I missed that I would take every single time. I just missed it, but I want to be very clear that I did not take this trade. But I'm going to take you through why it's a good trade. So as you see here with these 3 green little circles that I made, this is a key level, right? Price could not get past this level. Try 3 times, even tried a 4th time here, right? So this is clearly a key level that we're looking for in the market. We're looking for buys as well because of the EMAs. I have I believe 50 and 200, as you can see here with these 2 lines. So let me play. So pretty much, if you're looking at this at the time of the replay, you would be waiting until price did one of these. For price to break above this key level, come back, and then your entry would be here. And you could either aim for these highs, or you could look left. Or you could aim left and look for take profits over here. Since there's nothing to the left, my take profit would be this first high that was made. So let me play it out and show you guys exactly where I would get in. So this is what we would be looking for, right? Is price to break above this key level aggressively as it did. We would not get in anywhere near here. We would wait for the pullback right to the key level. Not yet. Boom. And then your entry, let me get rid of all this and then I'll reapply it. Your entry would be right on a bullish close. This is just how I trade, how some of the members of the Discord trade. Stop loss right below the zone, because clearly if price comes back here, your trade is cooked. I mean, this is bullish momentum, but if price starts to break these lows, then probably won't be bullish much longer. So this would be the trade right here. You get in on the bullish close, stop loss right below the zone, and I would aim for these previous highs to the left. Again, I did not take this trade, but I just want to show you guys the gist of the strategy, and so you guys can look at these 3 setups that I have with some understanding of why I'm looking for them and why they're good setups. So let's go through them. Again, they're all the same, right? And these are strictly technicals. What I like to do is look at the technicals first. Well, I'll switch it up, but for these 3, I'm looking at the technicals first. And then before I get in, I will look at the fundamentals, either the COT reports or any red folder news that I might need to be aware of. So these are strictly technicals. But yeah, again, if you guys look, price, this is making a key level. Price cannot break this price right here, this 87447 level. The price has failed, I mean, multiple times. So we are waiting patiently on Euro GBP to do exactly what this arrow is doing. If I were to get in here, my take profit would be these highs to the left, because this is another key level right here, right? So yeah, we're waiting. I have the alert set. We're waiting patiently for price to break above this key level, come back down, and we'll be getting in at the pullback, right? Stop loss right below. I would then aim for these highs to the left, and this is what the setup would look like right here. Next setup is shorts. You can clearly see the key levels that I marked out here, right? Price can't break below this point. It finally did. You could have took this pullback here. I did not, but you can see these key levels right here. So now we are waiting for this to happen. We're waiting for price to, same thing, right? It's just flipped. Waiting for price to come down here aggressively, come back to our zone. We'll get in right there, and then we will aim for these previous levels here. Look left, I see nothing, so I will just aim for like I said, the previous swings. This is what the setup would look like if price does come back to our zone. Same thing, right? Stop loss, give it some space because it is a swing, but not too much. This would be the setup here. Same exact thing as the last setup, just a short instead of a long. Last setup that we have, this one actually seems to be the closest to like can happen soon. As you can see, again, same exact thing. It's a key level here. Price rejected this this price at about 93.902 twice. It did break out here, but this is a weak breakout, right? I mean, there's no clear bullish signal. Yeah, we have these candles here, but they're very wicky. When you're looking for these big moves, you're looking for price to do something like this, right? To where it's strong bullish candles, strong bullish confirmations, and we're just waiting for the pullback, as I said, aiming for the previous highs. We could look left. There's nothing there. Oh, there is something there. So we could look left and maybe take profit on this key level here, but we will see. If I do get in, I'll probably just aim for the high, wherever it is, on the left. And those are the 3 setups that I'm looking for the next couple weeks. I went through them. These are the only ones that I see. Now let me take you guys through the 2 setups that I'm in that I mentioned previously. I'm in gold and GBP-CHF. So let me load up the trade locker here. GBP-CHF looks good. It is kind of pulling back. So I'll show you guys what I did with my stop loss here. Yeah, so don't worry about all these different lines and stuff. Just know, also trade locker is really laggy. I do not know why, but yeah, like I said, I got in here all the way up here. So what I did was I put stop loss for that one here. So no matter what happens, I'll be making, oh, not that one. I put it here. So no matter what, I'm making about 2% on this trade. It seems like price might be coming back to stop me out here, which is fine, right? I'm definitely gonna, after this big move, you know, you have to get some type of profits out of this. So I'm aiming for 2%, which is fine, right? We would like take profit to hit, but if not, that is okay. And then the other setup that I'm in is gold. I did have a limit order on gold that did not go off. Trade locker servers were down on the time being, but if you guys remember, right, this is the same setups. Let me see if I can find the highlighter. Same setup, right, guys? Key level here. Price can't break above this point. It finally did here. Wait for the pullback. So we wanted to get in. I actually draw this other zone. Again, it's laggy. I don't know why trade locker is very laggy, but we wanted to get in here. But it's okay, right? We got in here. Stop loss is down here. And then take profits are up here to the previous highs. And yeah, I mean, we're down a little bit. It is okay, right? This is swing trade, so we'll be holding on for this for a little bit. We gave it plenty of room, right? Price can come all the way down here and still end up winning. If it's a loss, then it's a loss. It is what it is. We move on. And yeah, I mean, those are pretty much the two setups that I'm in. I give you guys the setups I'm looking for. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Any questions, concerns, anything like that, leave down below. Hope you guys enjoyed these analysis for these 4 or 3 setups that I'm currently looking at. And then it'll be interesting to see next couple weeks if I do take them, if price does break out, come back down to our zone. And yeah, so we will see. So thanks for tuning in. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.